In the mystical realm of Eldoria, where mythical creatures roamed free and magic was woven into the very fabric of existence, there lived a young adventurer named Jake. Drawn by tales of extraordinary beings, Jake ventured into the heart of Eldoria, where the air crackled with enchantment and the forests whispered secrets known only to the ancient trees. One fateful day, deep within the mythical woods, Jake stumbled upon a clearing bathed in the radiant glow of golden flames. In the center stood a majestic phoenix, its feathers ablaze with a fiery brilliance that seemed to defy the laws of nature. Clutched within the phoenix's talons was a single ember, an ember said to possess the power of rebirth. The phoenix, a guardian of life and transformation, spoke to Jake through eyes that held the wisdom of eons. It revealed that the ember, when kindled with the heart's truest intentions, had the power to grant second chances and breathe life into the most withered of souls. However, such a gift also attracted those who sought to wield its power for selfish gain. Fueled by a newfound purpose, Jake pledged to protect the phoenix's ember from those with malevolent intentions. As he set out on his quest, he encountered mythical creatures, a wise centaur, mischievous sprites, and a gentle unicorn, each imparting lessons about the resilience of the phoenix and the transformative nature of second chances. The journey became a tapestry woven with trials and tribulations. Jake faced challenges that tested his mettle and encountered individuals who sought the ember for their own ambitions. Yet, with every setback, the phoenix's ember glowed brighter, a beacon of hope in the face of adversity. Amidst the mystical landscapes and magical encounters, Jake discovered the profound nature of rebirth. The phoenix, a symbol of resilience and renewal, taught him that every ending held the potential for a new beginning. The ember, when harnessed with selflessness and compassion, had the power to heal wounds and breathe life into the most desolate of realms. As Jake confronted the adversaries seeking the phoenix's ember, he found himself standing against a formidable foe, a sorcerer who craved the power of rebirth to conquer Eldoria. In a climactic battle, where magic clashed with determination, Jake realized that the true strength of the ember lay not in its ability to wield destructive forces, but in its capacity to inspire hope and foster positive transformation. In the aftermath of the conflict, with the ember's glow casting a warm radiance upon the rejuvenated land, Jake returned to the mythical woods. The phoenix, its flames now burning even more brightly, acknowledged Jake's courage and bestowed upon him a single feather, a symbol of his journey and the lessons learned. As Jake left the enchanted realm, the ember nestled securely in his hands. He carried with him the wisdom of the phoenix and the transformative power of second chances. Eldoria, forever changed by the resilience of the mythical creatures and the guiding spirit of the phoenix's ember, continued to flourish as a testament to the enduring magic of rebirth and renewal. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.